Welcome, in front of me I have ALCATEL 1B 2020 and I'm going to show you how easy you can connect Xiaomi AirDots 2. So at the first you have to open case with your AirDots, just like that, and take them from the case. As you can see, indicator is blinking. So as you can see, right now we can simply open Bluetooth settings on our smartphone, enable Bluetooth, and of course when the indicator blinking, it means that they are in the pairing mode, so you don't even have to press anything. Click to pair new device and tap on the Redmi AirDots 2. Confirm, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.